it's our favorite place.
Yeah.
And it's been so long since we gathered and have coffee together.
When Kim is here, Jake is not around.
Yeah.
A bit disappointing.
I'm sorry because I'm really so busy.
Yeah, we know. But how about Jake?
Did you call him up?
No, I think he is busy. I don't want to.
I know you called him up. You have a lot of phones.
Yeah, I always call him, but he's not answering or sending any message back.
What's happening?
I wonder what happened to him.
You know, I wasn't able to get touch with you guys because there's no load.
Yes, and I even messaged him on the internet. I sent him email, but
He's not
I think
answering
he's
back.
not yet checking it.
Yeah, because you know our neighbor is really bad right now. He's turning off his Wi-Fi.
Oh.
You know, I'm just sharing Wi-Fi with my neighbor.
That's why.
But then he's not
That's
too
blame the
generous.
neighbor.
Yeah. Even if I'm not paying the bills.
That neighbor is very,
He's very cruel, you know, because he's not letting me have some Wi-Fi. Yeah. It's just a matter of sharing, you know.
That neighbor of yours is so
Yeah, I miss this coffee.
Yeah.
It really smells so good.
The milky coffee that I love.
Especially when it's raining. It's really good to have hot coffee.
Alex, where did you get that tattoo?
This is a result of our visit to a community last week.
It looks nice.
It looks nice, but isn't it like a fraternity?
No!
There's a flower in it. That means it's safe.
It's very cute, the flower.
Maybe the name of the fraternity is like Mariposa or
Flora.
Voice over flower.
Flora and fauna.
Look at my shirt.
It's
It's
floral.
also Flora.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see.
How about you? Are you connected with us?
No.
Again?
It's wearing blue.
Okay.
No, your stripes are it's black.
Yeah, it's
I already have for something. I cannot
not yet
recognize it.
connected. But I'm really happy with it. And I'm fascinated by how they do the henna.
I think it's just a pen, you know. The texture is just like pen.
Yeah, it looks like pen.
Yeah.
At first, I'm scared. I thought it will be permanent, but then they said that no.
How I wish that they did that permanent.
No.
It looks nice. Have it permanent.
Maybe my patient will not go back to me anymore because they'll think
they
I'm
will think-
becoming rebel.
Or maybe they'll think that you're an ex-convict already.
Yeah.
It's not about that.
No, it's a floral ex-convict.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Floral.
But let's not talk about it anymore. Let's go back to
You're like
Jake.
Reka.
Yeah, Flame of Reka.
Oh,
Yeah,
let's put
I love
some
that show.
rap on that. And then,
Then we can play. Go to cosplay.
Yeah, why?
No.
I love
I'm just
act like a
laughing.
Sailor Moon.
Yes.
How about you?
No, I have also a tattoo.
She doesn't have
A real
character.
tattoo.
Where?
Oh.
A birthmark.
Another joke. Another
Oh,
foul
come on.
joke.
Let's laugh for her.
At least.
Say
We're
thank you.
connecting.
Say thank you.
Yeah, you should thank us.
At least,
Since Jake is not here, you're the one to be bullied.
No.
yeah, that's right.
I'm your friend. You don't do that to your friend, right?
No, we can. Because we're friends.
Because we love you. That's how we love each
Yes.
other, right?
That's a significant...
I thought you missed me.
No, I did not miss you.
She did not.
So rude.
She did not
I'm just
miss
joking.
me.
I really miss you.
That's a rude answer. And
That's
it's
a
not
very
meant.
answer. Oh, you can put down your coffee because I'll be the one to pay that.
Yeah, don't drink it anymore.
I really miss the game so much.
Really?
I
She's
was-
not sincere.
I'm
I can see
sincere.
it in her eyes. There's no
No,
sincerity
I
at all.
Look
don't
Alex, look at her eyes. She's not really
Yes,
sincere.
and look at her hair.
Yeah.
The hairstyle is saying no, not sincere.
Oh, I love my hairstyle.
Okay.
Don't.
Okay, we're not saying something about her.
Yeah.
If Jake is here, he would say the same thing, I guess.
No, maybe Jake envy.
Ah, yes, the hairstyle.
The
Because
hairstyle.
of the hairstyle.
With the bling bling.
Yeah. I'm just So good ako na.
Okay.
On that part?
Okay, let's drink the coffee.
Let's just, let's be silent. Come on. I found it really enjoyable.
Yeah, I also enjoy watching you drinking that coffee.
Even if there's something that's
Yeah.
spilled, even if
Yeah.
it didn't reach my hair.
You're so bully.
No, I'm not
Yeah,
bullying
you're so
Kim. I just
good.
miss her a lot.
That's,
Miss her a lot.
that's the way of saying
Yeah.
or conveying that you're missing someone.
Ah.
How could you?
Yeah. You know, I thought I will be touched if she says that she's missing me.
Why are you? Aren't you touched? It came from my heart. It came from my heart. It really
Okay.
came.
Okay, let's just finish this because I have something to do. I just, dropped by
Okay.
from the office. Let's just finish this thing.